guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very happy vlog, guys. My son Jason just turned 6. I'm going straight into this vlog because I didn't start at the beginning. I've been doing a whole lot, like cooking and preparing for the party. Cooked a lot of food, my dear, a lot. Like, it's been a lot. But anyway, here we are and we're having the party. So guys, I don't know what I can be able to get on this video, but I have people waiting and it's going to be all games. So come with me.
So guys, I started by preparing this cute charcuterie board. Ignore my background. I have not been able to find the quiet time to do this voiceover, so I might as well do it the way it is, so it could be chaotic. While doing this board, because I was rushing, I forgot some of the treats that I wanted to add to the board. I was now wondering, where are all the things I wanted to add to this board? But I just filled it up with the ones I saw, and this is what we have. And yay! Our board made it to the party, and the kids started grabbing it almost immediately. That was Jeremy, that boy. See how he grabbed that one sharply. I took it from him and put it back because I've not gotten cute pictures and all. And the kids loved it so much. Everyone started picking something, you see. And then I set up the table with the food that I made. You guys, I cooked a storm. I made jollof rice, fried rice, moi, chicken wings, both peppered and unpeppered. There's plantain, fried plantain, you know. And then there's this cake. Guys, a lot to eat and lots of drinks for everyone. A lot to eat.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jason. Happy birthday to you. Are you one? No. Are you two? No. Are you three? No. Six. Are you four? Are you six? Are you six? Are you five? Are you six? Are you six? Are you? Hey, he's six. Are you six? Are you six? Come on back, boo.
Sorry.
After cutting the cake and taking pictures, the kids had to eat first. Everyone had to eat before we start playing our games. You guys, the games ended up being chaotic. That's the birthday boy. This boy has finished eating already. Anyways, I made puff. What is a Nigerian party without a puff, guys? Look at how I'm just putting puff inside oil like a pro. If you want to see a full video on how to make Nigerian puff, both with yeast or without yeast, please let me know in the comments, okay? My puff recipe is simple and you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. So everyone enjoyed themselves thanks to the mamas that also came. They really helped out. Now this was where we're trying to start the game, guys. I divided these children into 2 groups. I'm going to leave the background a little bit so you can hear what's going on in the background.
This way. How many people we have with you? 3, 4. How many bees? 4. I think we have enough. These are the people who are interested. Let me walk with them.
So I invited one of the mothers to come and help me to explain to these children My dear, this is a question of you guys play this, by and no evidence. Well, the kids wanted to play the game. Some of them were really interested in playing the game, but it was a bit chaotic, and I mean, it wasn't just working, and these kids are in different age groups, so it wasn't easy to bring them. We got to play a game, however, I wasn't able to record, and that was the end of the party.
Until he gets to the carton. So the team with the most balls.
'Several days later.
What do you have to say to your friends who came to celebrate you yesterday? It was your birthday.
Thanks for celebrating me. I will appreciate it.
Okay, you really appreciate it.
For all the presents you got for me.
Okay, so do you want to start unboxing your present?
Yeah!
Read it out.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your Mickey Mouse cup.
Yeah. And I want my stick. Can you start unboxing
Alright.
me?
Next one. This way, please. Keep it this way.
Look.
What's that?
These are building blocks.
Oh,
You
that's
can,
a tower tumble. We're going to play lots of games with it.
yeah, you can play danger.
Yeah,
Yeah, you know, like take it out and see if it falls out or not.
yeah, that's it. Okay.
Next. Puzzle piece. What? There's many pieces.
That's a puzzle.
Oh my god!
How many pieces puzzle?
Look.
150.
Oh my gosh!
Awesome. And that's Christmas puzzle. You're going to play a lot of it during Christmas.
Oh my gosh! It's
Do you like that?
It's very puzzle.
You have a birthday card. Open your card and read it.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay.
That's an interesting one to me.
Okay, can we open the next present?
I want to put this on.
Don't worry, give me, let me help you.
I think I can do it. I need help.
Thank you. Alright, let's open the next present.
Alright, what's this?
Oh, what's
You
that?
have to circle what is spelled.
That's a word search. Whoa, lots of word search.
This one.
We're going to be playing lots of word search to help you with your spellings.
Alright.
Wow.
It's like
This
one.
gift is very thoughtful. Okay, there are lots of games for you to play, lots of things to teach you and help you learn.
Let me see how much this is. How much of this? Oh my gosh. This is 1,000.
1,000. All right, next gift.
See, definitely this one. Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it.
Wow!
Wow!
Snake ladder.
Ooh, snakes and ladder.
I think I know how to do it. You have to like try and get away from the snake.
Yep.
And you have to roll a dice. I want the number land, though. You have to write the numbers. If you land on the snake, you're out.
You're out. All right, next gift.
Yeah. What is this? Wow, fire gear.
A fire gear.
Yeah, but they don't work for real.
They don't work for real.
Yeah, because they're just toys. Oh, what is this? Extinguisher.
Okay. And what's?
Pull out the pin, steal out the fire.
Yep.
Air spray right through. What's this?
I think that's a flashlight.
Oh, whistle.
A what?
I can't wait. Can we open it?
can open it and explore everything, but let's finish unboxing. Let's finish unboxing. That's your car. That, yes. Alright, let's open.
This one is the almost last one.
Let's see. Look at the camera. Bring it to the camera. Let's see.
Alright.
No, just this way.
Alright. This one.
Yep. Oh, that's a hoodie. I think that's a very cool hoodie.
It's for me.
Yup. Have you opened all your gifts?
No, not this one though.
Okay. One more gift that you need to open.
What? Sorry, Daddy. Oh yeah.
What is that?
Is attack.
Gifts you had on your birthday.
You mean besides both these?
Well, this is the best. So besides these two, which other gift was your next favorite gift? Let me see that. Bring it to the camera. No, like bring it to your front. That's how I can see. That's how. Snakes and like that. Okay. So which is the next favorite gift? The tumble tower. The tower tumble. Nice. Alright, which other gifts? You love your car?